Hello, in this tutorial we'll be going over how to set up a single schedule. A single schedule is used to process your Crystal reports. This is the most commonly used type of schedule. The purpose of this tutorial will be to guide you through the process of setting up a single report to be generated and delivered to one or more defined destinations. In this demonstration, we will be explaining how to set up a single report schedule and emailing the report as a PDF file. To create your report, click on New Schedule. From there, click on Single Report Schedule. The Single Report Schedule wizard will pop up, prompting you to enter in the required information. The Create inbox is the location of where your report is going to be created. In this video, my report is going to be created in Desktop in the CRD example folder. For report location, you choose the location of where your report is located. In this example, we'll be using a report from CRD. For schedule name, you enter the name of the schedule. You can modify this to fit your own needs. For description, you can enter in information to help other users identify exactly what this schedule is and what it is expected to do. For the keyword box, enter some keywords which can be used later by smart folders to identify this schedule. Collect Crystal Report data checkbox. Check this box if you need to use Crystal Report fields in the schedule. After you have entered the required information, click on Next. You'll be prompted to go to Step 2 and enter the scheduled information. From here, you can choose options as in every day, every weekday, every week, or every month. These options will tell CRD how to run your schedule. You can use other options such as every year or calendar and create your own calendar if you only want it to run on certain days of the month. Start date will specify the date that you want your schedule to start. If your schedule doesn't have an end date, it will keep on repeating. Run at, you can choose the time that you would like your schedule to run at. Check the repeat every checkbox if you would like your schedule to run periodically after a certain amount of hours. And enabled will tell CRD either to enable the report or disable the report. After you have entered in the required information that you need, click on the Next button. You will then be taken to the destination setup, which is Step 3. Click on the Add button. From here you can choose the destination that you would like to send to. From here you have the option as disk, email, fax, FTP, ODBC, printer, SharePoint, and SMS. In this example, we'll be sending a PDF to an email. From here, you enter in your required information that you're looking for, such as the sender address. A subject, and in here, information about your report. Select Output to choose the format that you would like your report to be in. You can choose from various formats such as Adobe, Crystal Report, CSV, and others. In this example, we'll be using Adobe Format PDF. Once you select this, you'll get additional options to choose from, like selecting PDF security options. You can also choose additional features such as the Naming tab, Deferred Delivery, and PGP encryption. Once you have selected your destination and your output, click on OK. The Edit button will allow you to edit the destination that you choose. Select Delete if you would like to remove this destination. The Import allows you to choose previously selected destinations. These can be set up in the options of CRD. These default destinations are pre-assigned destinations for your reports to run. After you have selected the destinations that you want to choose, click on Next. The next tab you'll be in Step 4, Report Parameters. In here, you can select parameters for your report or sub-reports. To find out more information about report parameters, please view our report parameter video. The Preview button will allow you to preview your report. The Report option screen is used if you are required to log into a database. If the database requires login credentials, check this option and enter in the required username and password. If your credentials are not required, uncheck the option and continue as normal. All values are optional. You only need to enter a value if your database, security, networking, or infrastructure require it. Once you have entered in the following information, or if your report doesn't require a database login screen, click on Next. You will then be taken to the Exception Handling screen. The Exception Handling screen, the options here allow you to change additional settings. This is if reports fail for any number of reasons, such as database connectivity issues, if the database is busy, or there's network issues. This screen gives you the ability to tell CRD what to do if it encounters an error. Once you have chosen the following information about how you want your report to handle, click on the Next button. You will then be taken to the Custom Task screen. You can find additional information about the Custom Task options by watching the Custom Task video. Custom Tasks will allow you to choose additional options for CRD to do. You can have it either run before you report or after you report. You can do things such as open a document, send an SMS, create a new file, update a file, rename a file. You could even do database stuff. After you have went through steps 1 through 7, click on Finish. You will then be taken to the screen where your schedule is located. This is how you create a single schedule.